my Lego in the market today. Oh wow, only Legos.
Wow, it seems like you finally got an appetite.
More, please.
If you keep eating like this, you're going to grow into a strong and healthy boy. So I hope that you keep this up.
Yes, Papa, and I really had so much fun today.
What happened to your hands? They're so dirty. They're full of dirt. What were you doing all day, huh? I know that you stink, and you need a good scrubbing, just like me.
Hey, Mitsuo. Mama, why are you still playing with that? Have you done your homework yet?
I was about to. Well, what am I gonna do? If I don't use the robot, Mama will know that I left. But I need to use it for Moyoshi so he can go out too. I'm sure he's already waiting for me. Come on, let's play baseball.
Okay, get ready. Here.
Come on, Mitsuo, it's snack time.
Oh no.
Mama, I don't think Mitsuo is here right now. Hey, catch that ball! Let's go, Moyoshi! Come on, it's time to go home.
I can't. It's my turn to bat.
We don't want your father to find out that you're gone.
I want to go home.
Tell me where have you been going, boy? You're so dirty. Here.
What's going on? Why would they want to put fences here?
Are we gonna play baseball now?
This isn't right. No one can keep us out of our field. Hold it right there. You kids are not supposed to be here. This is private property and you're all trespassing. Go away. You can't keep us out. This is our baseball totally ridiculous. This field belongs to me and I can do whatever I want with it. And right now I want all of you to leave.
But this is where we always play, mister.
Wait a second. So you're the one they call Perman? Moyoshi already confessed everything to me. I know what you've been up to, so don't try to deny anything.
Haven't you noticed that he's gotten healthier?
Leave my son alone!
Master, something terrible happened.
What is it?
Moyoshi left this in his room.
Huh? What does it say?
To my dearest Papa.